This is one of our little, well, I say little, but projects to see if we can build a set of stairs to our hay loft in the barn, because chicken's going to be louder than we are.
Still in the limelight.
Neither of us particularly likes heights, so a set of stairs will make getting up there a lot easier. My dad's coming over to help with that because he's built a lot more stairs than I have.
Thanks, Dad.
Well, hopefully everything goes well. Anyways, it'll be good.
It would be
One
nice
more
to
thing,
have
and
them.
then it's just
Something off the list, maybe.
something off the proverbial list.
I don't know if it'll happen today, getting off the list, but
Mostly, probably. So this is, I guess, a follow-up to what we did on the weekend, which is an awesome improvement to our barn and gives a lot more usable space. So yeah, with a lot of help from my dad, because I don't think I could have done it by myself, or it would have taken like months.
yeah.
We now have a set of stairs to the loft. So here's a view kind of the same spot in our barn. As you can see, there's now a full set of stairs.
And look, it is high enough that you can walk under.
Yeah, we were
Thinking ahead,
and we basically didn't lose any space, which is awesome. So anyways, kind of come over here. So there they are, pretty much a full proper set of stairs. Prior to this, the only way to access the loft was by a kind of sketchy ladder, which neither of us, or actually basically nobody in the family, even the kids, nobody's a big fan of heights. So this is an awesome improvement. So we go up. We do have a baby gate to put here to basically keep the goats from coming up if we're letting them out. But and there's our wall of hay we've got stored, and over here we've already kind of piled some stuff on here, but I can't really zoom out more. But we basically have a nice railing around there so that nobody can fall down and kill themselves in the new hole in the floor. But we didn't really lose any space because we've got a spot now for our chicken crates, which are always handy. And then this, we've basically put some old fleece up here for now, just temporarily, but a little platform above the stairs and another little wall so nobody can fall down that hole. And that will allow us access to all of this over the winter, and just general extra storage space. And then there's kind of a view, as the camera adjusts, the view of our hay elevator we bought this spring, which works awesome. It's just I forget how long it is, it's just a short one, but and there's our garden out there and all the associated mess. And you can hear the sheep in the background. But anyways, this is a significant improvement for us. I'll just do a quick shot of going down the stairs. There they are. And they're awesome because they're actually spaced the right sort of height for normal stairs, so it's very easy to walk up and down. And you're right out at the bottom of the stairs and the entrance to the barn. Anyways, long awaited and much appreciated barn renovation, which will make things a lot easier for us going forward and frees up a fair bit of space once we kind of get things cleaned up a bit. But anyways, that's kind of what we were up to this weekend. So I guess at this point it's on to the next thing.